Welcome back this evening. Here's a fun Atlas Safe Room weather picture. It was sent in from Richard Sapp and it's titled, "We Should Have Gone South for the Winter." You can see some Canadian geese there. Really cool picture. A little bit different than our typical sunrises and sunsets, so always cool to change it up. Richard, thank you for sharing that. We'll now look at our Tower Cam time lapse brought to you by Stables Casino. Clear skies pictured here. We had some clouds in place today, mainly in southwest Missouri. A couple of clouds associated with a cold front, and that's about it. Right now, skies have pretty much cleared out. We mostly had clouds in southwest Missouri because of the position of this system. It came in from our south and west, and really the rain popped up over parts of Missouri and continues to track off to the east now. So we didn't get in on any rainfall, stayed dry today. There was a little bit of rain off to our north and west, but we're not going to get in on that rain either. So we do stay dry over the next couple of days. And despite the fact that a cold front has already passed through, our temperatures are actually a little bit warmer than we were at this time yesterday, by about 5 to 10 degrees in most spots. So our high temperatures made it into the 60s in a few places. 63 today in Grove as well as Veneta. We got to 61 degrees in Coffeyville, also in Chanute and Nevada, 62 in Parsons, and in the upper 50s in Pittsburgh as well as Joplin and Monette. So average 45 degrees. We are well above that today despite a cold front that moved through, but we're dropping now to the 40s and the 50s. It's 49 in places like Chanute, Nevada. We're still hanging out in the lower 50s in Veneta and Grove, right in the middle there at Joplin at 50 degrees. And winds picked up a little bit earlier today when the front passed through. They were sustained between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. We are seeing our wind speeds, that is, relax just a little bit. But notice the direction is out of the north and west, and those northwest winds will be with us during the day tomorrow. They'll actually become quite breezy at times. We do have a pretty dry air mass filtering in. We had dew point temperatures just a few hours ago still in the 40s. Now they're dropping to the 20s, indicating dry air mass, a lot less moisture found at the surface. And this will actually set us up for the potential for some elevated fire danger heading into tomorrow and especially on Friday. A lot of it has to do with this area of high pressure. Again, it's bringing in these northwest winds, which will allow for temperatures to be cooler tomorrow. We'll have a bit of a wind chill factor, but also we're going to have breezy conditions because of the location of this high and the cold front that just passed through. Whenever these two systems get close together, we see the difference in pressure creating wind. So breezy northwest winds becoming breezy southwest winds on Friday when the high pressure shifts off to the south and the east. So this will allow for a warmer day again on Friday, but also even higher fire danger. When we have warmer temperatures still with a dry air mass, we get less relative humidity. So conditions will possibly get close to red flag warning criteria, which would indicate that burning is not recommended. So that's really the going forecast through the rest of 2016, but things turn a bit more interesting into 2017. Notice that our future weather model forecast keeps skies mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow we'll have plenty of sunshine, and again on Friday with clouds not filtering in again until Saturday. So New Year's Eve we'll have cloud cover. We do have the potential for a few showers on New Year's Day, and then we turn a lot colder for the middle of next week. So now the KSN forecast from your local weather authority. 31 tonight, clear skies. These temperatures are above normal, but a little colder than how we started out this morning. 48 tomorrow in southwest Missouri, so cooler and breezy. Again, that high fire danger. Northwest winds will gust around 30 miles an hour and gusting around 25 miles an hour tomorrow in southeast Kansas. Highs in the upper 40s, sunny and dry. And in northeast Oklahoma tomorrow, a high temperature around 50 degrees. Lots of sunshine, dry and breezy. Here's a check of that New Year's weekend. Saturday, 52, partly sunny skies. And Sunday will also be partly sunny. Again, we have the chance for those showers late. But look at those mild temperatures, above average, sitting right in the lower 50s. We will finally start to cool off into next week. Not yet on Monday, though. The chance for rain continues Monday, possibly into Tuesday, even Wednesday. We could see that rain, but temperatures trending downward, which means there's the potential for a light, little bit of wintry potential for next week. Those details are a little murky so far, but if you'd like to keep track of it, just log on to 4stateshomepage.com and click under the weather tab. So with temps falling next week, it will finally start to feel a little more like winter, a little more like January.
I like what you said, though, murky details, though. So don't think it's set in stone just yet.
Just the potential.
Okay, just the potential. Stacey, thanks so much. Turning now to sports, Alex Brown joins us with more Neosho Holiday Classic